Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. I am here on our family vacation. We're in the Bahamas and it's our first time here and it's been super fun and relaxing. We're having a great time. And I thought this morning I would do a quick get ready with me video showing you my vacation makeup look, which is super quick and easy. I'm not doing anything complicated makeup wise because we're gonna go to the beach and I'm gonna get messed up in the water anyway. It's gonna take maybe 5 minutes, and this is something I do at home as well. It's not something special that I'm doing here, and it's basically to just give me a natural enhanced look, sort of that me but better makeup look, which is what I'm always trying to go for anyway. So this is basically all I brought for the whole vacation. I like to travel light, and I knew I wasn't going to be putting on loads of makeup at a hot, beachy destination. So first thing I'm putting on is my favorite everyday tinted moisturizer from Bare Minerals, and it's also got SPF 30. Very important when you're getting lots of sun. So I'm just gonna basically put this on with my fingers. So it gives me light coverage, like kind of just evens out my skin tone. And of course, the SPF protection. And it looks super natural and like kind of dewy. Next, I'm going to use a bit of like just loose powder, and so I may be doing it a little bit backwards, but I like to use a bit of loose powder. This is the also Bare Minerals Mineral Veil, and it's got SPF 25. And I'm going to go in with a brush and just kind of, because I didn't use the tinted moisturizer on my eyelids, so I just like to use a bit of the powder to even out the color of my eyelids as well, and just make them look a little brighter and more awake. Fill in my eyebrows next. I'm gonna get up close to the mirror here. And eyebrows are a must for me because they frame my face and kind of give the whole eye area a lift. And this is my favorite Maybelline eyebrow pencil. Makes it super easy because it's got that like teardrop shape. And just brush it through a bit. So honestly, I'd be totally fine going out just like this. So I'm gonna use these Julep eyeshadow sticks. And I love these because they are super quick and easy to use, and they stay really well. So I'm gonna use this warm kind of, what's it called? Ginger matte. And this is the perfect shade for me. It's almost like a bronzer kind of shade. It's really natural and just warms up my skin, creates, you know, some depth. Then I'm gonna use this shimmery one right in the corner here. Brighten up my inner corner. And then you can blend it either with your finger, which I often do. Like this is exactly what I do at home for my everyday look. Or use a kind of fluffy brush and just blend, blend, blend. So natural. NARS eyeliner. This is like a dark brown. I rarely use anything else except brown, and I'm really gonna go in and kind of try to tight line it. Wing it out a little, bring it in. And then just use my fingernail or a Q-tip or something and just wing it out a little bit. A bit on the outer corner as well to add definition. Blend again. You can do this with your finger too. Bronzer, which is the key to getting that natural glow. I've been using this one for over 10 years, it must be. It's my absolute favorite. Just go all along. I'm not being super precise, but I just want to glow up my skin. Even at home, bronzer is one of the sort of minimum of things that I would do. Let's go all the way with the cheeks today and do the NARS Afterglow Liquid Blush. Really pretty pinky shade. This is the NARS shade Orgasm. And now I look all bronzed and rosy cheeked. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes a bit because I'm obviously not gonna wear mascara into the water. We're staying in this apartment, which is right on the beach, and it's been so cool because we don't have to worry about packing up all our things, loading them in the car, driving to the beach, and coming back with all our wet stuff. You just step outside and there's the most gorgeous beach, and it's actually private for just the complexes around here, and it's not crowded at all. And we've almost had the beach entirely to ourselves sometimes, so my kids are loving it. So I'll take you outside and have a look. I'm gonna use the Burt's Bees Tinted Lip Balm in Rose, because I just wanna give my lips a little color and keep them moisturized, and I would just apply this throughout the day. So that's it. I have my sunnies. Here's my outfit. Okay, let's go have a look outside our balcony. Let's go have a look outside. Oh, there they are out on the water. I'm gonna go for a walk on the beach. Thanks for watching and hope you're having a great day.